What's up guys, and welcome back to On Life Cars. Today you join me in the Alfa Romeo Mito for an interesting little tutorial. It's a bit of a quirk this rather than a job. So for those of you with this car, you'll know you've got your modes down here. I can excuse the mess on the floor. You've got normal, sort of this all-terrain thing, whatever it stands for, and D for dynamic, which is in effect your sports mode. Now there's a nice little hidden feature which, especially if you're a bit of a petrol head or diesel head in this case, where you can put it in sports mode, as you can see there. I'll just get a bit closer. Go for your options and pull up a boost gauge. As you can see, it goes up with your turbo pressure. It's a bit of a gimmick, but it's quite cool to watch the boost building up as you go in. As you can see here, you get half boost revving it. When you actually get moving it goes all the way to the top and you get full acceleration. It's good fun. It's quite distracting actually, but yeah, cool gimmick, and I'm sure you'll want it in your car. Now they don't sort of come up as standard. I don't know why, but it's a dead simple way to get it on. So if you look at your menu buttons down here, and we click on menu, I'll leave it on the screen, and then you can use your light, fog light buttons to go up and down through the menu. I'm sure you already know this. If you flick through until we get to radio repetition and click on that, and it's got on and off. Now I think on some cars it's already set on. When it's set on, you don't get that boost gauge. I don't know how it's related. Yeah. When it's the radio repetition's on, your boost gauge won't work. So you go to off on that and close that menu, and then flick through this, you know, your button on the end of your stalk there, until you get your boost gauge. That's one little perk. Now the other perk is if you then flick the car into all-terrain mode, or all-weather, there we go, all-weather connected, you get a digital speedo, which obviously goes up as you move and accelerate, and gives you a sort of a digital readout, which is quite useful, I think, especially if you're in an area where there's loads of cameras, because you get an accurate speed. Yeah, and that's about it, guys. I thought it was just an interesting little quirk on the car that not everyone knows about, and it's all just to do with that radio repetition. I'll just show you again. So, you know, menu button, and you just flick through until you get to radio repetition and make sure it's turned off. I don't know what that function actually does though. I don't know what you're turning off, but it's not affected me yet. Ignore my flashing odometer. I know that's a control module problem, if you've noticed, but that's another video for another day. I have to take it to Alpha for that, I think. In fact, if anyone does watch this video and knows anything about the flashing odometer and an easy way to get rid of it, please let me know in the comments, because I don't want to have to take it to Alpha. So yeah, you get your boost gauge on dynamic, and a speedo on all weather, which is quite cool. I hope you found this useful. Nice little quirk of the Alfa Romeo Mito there. And yeah, stay tuned guys, another tutorial coming soon. Thanks for watching, peace.